Welcome back to Brewing with Ty. Today we are going to be working with this Fermtech. It is a pump with a filter. And today's the day for the real apple cider. So stick around. Today what we're going to be doing is using the Fermtech with the filter. We're going to be taking this out. This was done on 3/8. Today is the 25th. We're right where we need to be. So I'm actually probably just going to take this and put it through the center. Hopefully it'll fit. Will fit. That way, less air coming out, but we are going to have it in a pitcher first. This is the first time I'm using this Fermtech. It's probably going to have some power behind it, but I always wanted a filter and I got a filter. So here we go. All right, now that that's done, thing worked pretty good. Definitely have to prime this at first. It does get bubbly, or it does have air that comes through it towards the end. Just pour your out, that way you don't get a ton of air in it, which I got some air in it, but that's gonna happen. What I'm gonna do now is take a gravity reading. And I do not know where my syringe is, so hopefully I don't make too much of a mess here. All right, so we have it in here from the looks of it. Here's some of the bubbles. There we go. 1.00 for the gravity. So 1.00, I don't have my pen on me, but I have it memorized. So what we're gonna do now, since this was sanitized, pour this back in ever so slightly. And it looks like we have 112 ounces. Which a lot of that's still in here because I couldn't get a bunch of that out because of the apples. But that is okay. But what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to filter it again from here to here, and I'm going to use the filter. All right, now that that's done, I will take a little video after this is over so you can see everything that this filter had in it. This is the last product. We're gonna let this sit for a few weeks. Then after that, I'm probably going to let it sit for a few more weeks, just to let this get clear and everything else. So this came out to 1.000. That's the gravity. Let's see here. This is one where we used the 2 Granny Smith apples, a Honeycrisp apple, a Pink Lady, 4 quarts of apple juice, real apple juice, half teaspoon of the Pectic Enzyme, and we used the Safale US-05 on this one. The original gravity was 1.050. I like this. It'll probably be better once I figure out how to use it correctly. This is the first time using this, was today. Hopefully I didn't ruin my brew by putting too much air in it, but I think we'll be fine. So as for me, as always, stay at the ready, stay thirsty. See you on the next one.